If you think tablets have hit a structural ceiling, you are about to be proven completely wrong. The premium mobile workstation market is experiencing a massive shift, and the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is positioned to completely reset our expectations of what a flagship Android device can achieve. While competitors are pushing incremental design refreshes, the latest verified hardware leaks and supply chain reports indicate that Samsung is engineering an absolute titan. This device aims not just to outpace the M5 iPad Pro, but to actively replace your high-end professional laptop. If you are a digital artist, data-heavy power user, or premium tech enthusiast, do not commit your production budget to any new computing hardware until you understand exactly what is coming. The primary engineering breakthrough begins directly with structural integrity and the canvas itself. For generations, the massive footprint of the Ultra series has faced a distinct hardware challenge, balancing an ultra-thin profile with structural rigidity. The Tab S12 Ultra solves this permanently by moving away from traditional armor aluminum and adopting a Grade 5 titanium chassis. This sleek material shift dramatically increases torsional strength, preventing any chassis flex across the massive footprint while keeping the physical profile remarkably slim at just over 5 mm. This design choice represents a monumental leap forward, ensuring that the tablet can withstand the rigorous demands of daily travel and intensive professional use without sacrificing its elegant, lightweight aesthetic. But the real magic happens when you turn the device over. Samsung is executing a massive display revolution by introducing a true no-notch, edge-to-edge design enabled by under-display camera 2.0 technology. The twin front-facing sensors are completely hidden beneath a new tandem OLED panel. This next-generation display stacked architecture drives global peak brightness up to an unprecedented 3000 nits, making it fully usable under harsh, direct outdoor sunlight. Combined with a permanent anti-reflective structural coating, this massive 14.6-inch display delivers pristine color accuracy and a fluent 120 Hz refresh rate that functions like a physical sheet of paper. This means visual creators can confidently grade color and edit high dynamic range content in any environmental lighting condition, completely free from distracting reflections or glare. Internal performance benchmarks reveal a fascinating strategic shift in silicon selection. Supply chain manufacturing data confirms that Samsung is choosing absolute optimization over predictable naming conventions, implementing a custom-tuned MediaTek Dimensity 9500 series chipset alongside a rumored ultra-premium variant running Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2. Built on an advanced 3nm node, this architecture is deliberately optimized for sustained, high thermal threshold workloads. To ensure that heavy multitasking never triggers application memory caching, Samsung is pairing this silicon with a staggering 24 GB of high-speed random access memory on the top-tier storage models. This configuration provides the massive memory bandwidth necessary to run complex desktop-grade emulation, massive video rendering pipelines, and local on-device machine learning models simultaneously without dropping a single frame. This raw performance translates directly into a totally reimagined software experience called Neural Decks. Traditional mobile desktop environments often feel like stretched phone interfaces, but Neural Decks leverages the integrated neural processing unit to deliver an adaptive, fully contextual desktop workspace. The operating system actively predicts your app layout based on peripheral connections, enabling intelligent multi-window management, instant file type conversion, and seamless drag-and-drop mechanics across complex software suites. For creatives, this processing power completely transforms the input experience. The device ships with the new S Pen Pro 3, which introduces physical haptic feedback engines embedded within the stylus barrel. When drawing or writing across the dynamic display, the pen simulates the authentic microtextures of charcoal, graphite, or paint brushes rubbing against textured paper, introducing a level of tactile immersion that digital artists have spent a decade waiting for. Sustaining a 14.6-inch bright display and an absolute powerhouse processor requires an equally robust power management solution. The Tab S12 Ultra is equipped with an optimized 11,800 mAh dual-cell battery. Thanks to the efficiency gains of the 3nm silicon architecture, this massive reservoir easily translates into true all-day professional endurance. When you do need to replenish the system, the device supports an upgraded, ultra-stable 45-watt fast-charging protocol that utilizes advanced smart thermal throttling to maximize charging speed while preserving long-term battery health over years of intensive usage cycles. This power system is specifically engineered to eliminate battery anxiety, ensuring that data analysts and filmmakers can run sustained processing tasks entirely on location without constantly hunting for an electrical outlet. Furthermore, Samsung is radically overhauling the thermal dynamics of the chassis to accommodate this immense processing capacity. A newly designed dual vapor chamber cooling system spreads heat symmetrically across the titanium back panel, eliminating hotspots entirely. This ensures that even during extended multi-hour rendering sessions or intensive three-dimensional graphics production, the processor maintains its maximum clock speeds without experiencing aggressive thermal throttling. For professionals, this means predictable, uncompromised rendering times that rival traditional dedicated desktop environments. In terms of market positioning and availability, internal logistics point toward an official launch window in early autumn, aligning perfectly with premium global release timelines. Base configurations featuring 12 GB of memory and 206 GB of fast storage are expected to start at a premium tier of $1,299, scaling upward for the high-end 24 GB memory and 1 TB storage configurations. This pricing structure reflects a wider shift in the industry where rising component expenses, driven by global demand for premium silicon and high-bandwidth memory, are adjusting the entry point for professional-grade hardware. This financial commitment represents a long-term investment in your production workflow, as Samsung is simultaneously guaranteeing an unprecedented 7 years of major operating system upgrades and security patches. This extended lifespan strategy ensures that your deployment costs amortize beautifully over nearly a decade of reliable service, maintaining exceptional resale value and keeping your workflow secure against modern enterprise data threats. Furthermore, the specialized enterprise-grade Knox Vault security architecture is integrated directly at the hardware layer, physically isolating your sensitive biometric keys, professional credentials, and proprietary creative assets from potential software vulnerabilities. For professionals looking for an uncompromised, localized desktop computing experience built into a remarkably rigid, beautifully minimalist titanium chassis, this represents the definitive peak of mobile engineering. The upcoming flagship isn't just another annual iteration, it is a definitive statement that the divide between professional laptop capability and tablet portability has officially evaporated. Samsung is aggressively challenging the status quo, offering an all-in-one ecosystem that eliminates the need to carry both a laptop and a creative canvas. Keep your eyes locked right here on TechVibe as more official production metrics emerge, and let us know down in the comments if this is the powerhouse machine that will finally convince you to leave your traditional laptop setup behind forever.